In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple Shopify stores with just one account. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. If you're running multiple online businesses, having everything streamlined in one place is not only a time saver, but also a great way to keep your workflow organized and efficient. So, let's take a moment to walk through these steps together. First, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see the name of one of your stores prominently displayed. Clicking on this store name will reveal a drop-down menu. It's a handy little tool that can quickly get you where you need to be. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says All Stores. Selecting this option is crucial, as it will present you with a comprehensive list of all the Shopify stores you've created under your account. This list acts as a central hub, giving you an overview of all your ventures at a glance. It's a great way to keep track of everything without having to log in and out multiple times or juggle multiple browsers or tabs. Now, with all your stores lined up in front of you, the next step is straightforward. Click on the store you wish to manage. This action will transport you directly into its settings, where you can handle any modifications you need to make. Whether you're updating products, adjusting prices, or tweaking store themes, all the tools you need are right there at your fingertips. It's designed to be intuitive, allowing you to focus more on strategy and less on logistics. And that's all there is to it. Just a few simple clicks can significantly enhance how you oversee your multiple stores. By seamlessly transitioning between your businesses, you can maintain a cohesive and organized approach, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Managing various online shops doesn't have to be daunting or time-consuming when you've got the right tools and knowledge. Using this feature within Shopify, you can keep your business endeavors running smoothly and efficiently. Remember, the key to successful management is consistency, and having this centralized access point is a major step in the right direction. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy shopkeeping.